that we should see a breakthrough soon.
The state government is awaiting a response from the Ministry of Defence regarding the allocation of 2 acres of land to relocate 342 families residing at Tem Yau Maulong. Chief Secretary D.P. Wak Lang shared that the government has approached the central government to allot land within the vicinity of Tem Yau Maulong, which belongs to the army. Wak Lang expressed hope for a positive response, noting that the requested area is small and viable.
We have approached the central government to allot us land in the vicinity of Maulong Hut only, which belongs to the army. We have communicated with the Defence Ministry. We hope that we'll get a positive response on that. The area that we have requested is quite small. It's viable as far as we are concerned. So once we get a response from the Defence Ministry, we'll take it forward. We had discussed with the stakeholders at that point of time when we met here about 2 months back in the month of November. They were agreeable to that because by relocating that area where we are discussing right now, the Gurdwara also will not be impacted, will not be affected. The place of worship will not be touched. So I think it's a win-win situation if it is approved. We are talking about initially 2 acres, which may be reduced to 1 acre now.